guys, we are so happy to meet you in another video. In this video, we are going to explain about mod applications. Yes, modified applications. What is mod applications? At first, the app will be released by a developer with ads and in-app purchases. Then, the modifiers will modify them with unlocking the features with their codes. Yes, mod APK means a modified version of an original APK. What they are modifying in the app: number 1, disable some permissions. Number 2, add extra features. Number 3, unlock the premium or VIP features. Number 4, unlimited resources, especially in games. Number 5, insert heads in games. Number 6, insert their signatures. What is signature? A signature is an identity of them. Most of the mod app creators insert their signature for protect their mods from the other copycats. How the signatures protect their modified applications? Once they input their signature, if any updates will come to the app won't allow different signature to overwrite it. You can see the mod creators advise you to uninstall the Play Store versions before install the mod application. If you continue the installation of the mod application without uninstalling the original app which comes from the Play Store, you will see the message application is not installed. So sometimes you need to keep installing the mod from the same creator. There are 3 types of signatures. Number 1, original. The original signature of the developer. Number 2, protected. A signature modified by the mod creator, which helps him to protect his identity. Number 3, debug. It's a test, public signature, which can be sometimes come to replace the original signature. What is the base of mod applications or mod games? It is in-app purchases and the payment for their usage. They create mod only for unlocking item which we have to pay for use then. You can see the mod applications, they unlock the premium features, or we can get paid applications for free. In games, they are modifying unlimited game resources like coins, gems, caches. And also, you can see that the mod applications can connect with Play Store purchasing, because creators always block that. Now, let's see the account sign-in options in mod applications. In some mod applications, you can't sign in through the Google accounts. So, you need to sign in through the sign in via email options. Mostly, many applications modified with the restriction of a sign in via social media accounts. In modified games, 100 out of 99.99%, you can't sign in through any of your accounts, neither Google and social media. So you have to continue playing as a guest. If you uninstall the game, you will lose all of your data because you are playing as a guest. The game servers won't keep the guest players' data. What kind of errors will you face while using these applications and games? Number 1, app not installed due to the signature vary and other causes. Number 2, app closes while working. Number 3, app won't open after installed. Number 4, app doesn't match with your architecture. Number 5, app server will detect that you are using a mod APK. Number 6, ban message from the server, mostly in games. Number 7, can't use some server-based options. How far we can talk these mod applications? At first, by installing the mod applications, you will lose the developer support. Yes, you can't update the application to the Play Store or through any other developer sites. So you won't get any more help from the developer. We don't know how they modify the application and what they are inserting into the code. Sometimes they can insert the malwares too. In some cases, they will create a phishing page like your social media or login pages. Do you know one thing? What they can do with these malwares and phishing pages? Usually, malwares developed by cyber attackers for designed to cause extensive damage to data and systems for gain unauthorized access to a network. As well as, phishing means obtain sensitive information or data from others. Example, If you insert your username or email ID and password to sign in your account to a phishing page, it will send those information to a third-party person who created this phishing page. So, if you are a mod application user, please ignore to use social media mod applications. How to find that if you are being attacked by these mod applications? Number 1. Your phone is too slow. Number 2. App take longer to load. Number 3. Data drains faster than usual. Number 4. There is an abundance of pop-up ads. Number 5. Your phone has some applications you don't remember downloading. Number 6. Unexplained data usage. So, if you find some activities like we have mentioned above, immediately act like this. First, uninstall the suspicious apps and restart the phone. If you can restart with safe mode, then scan your phone with antivirus softwares. Do we have any advantages by using these mod applications? Yes, we can save a huge amount of money with the cost of self-risk. If you wanna use these mod applications, don't Google it, because it will show a lot of websites with high risks. And don't trust the unauthorized websites which can redirect you to the unwanted websites. And also be careful with these private server based applications. You can see the Clash of Clans mod application. Currently some of you are playing it, but you have to know something about it. You are not playing on Clash of Clans game server. You are playing that mod on a private server which owned by a third party. Maybe sometimes they can steal your data. An important thing for you guys, don't make any kind of payments to get an mod application. It's simply waste. There are some fake people are selling some mod applications like Hotstar, Netflix, etc. Because those are 100% fake and fraud works. You have to know one thing guys, currently there are no working Hotstar mods released by any mod app creators, so be aware of it. Finally, we advise you to support the developers to secure privacy and encourage them to improve their applications. So, these are the facts behind the modified applications, and we hope you understood everything. If you missed anything, please mention it in the comments. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe us. Your subscribe means a lot to us. And let's meet in another interesting video more than this.